In this video, I will show you how you can install apps from unknown sources on your Samsung Galaxy A37 or the A57. Now, if I open Google Chrome and if I try to install this app from Google Chrome, as you can see, it will not install and it will show me this error. Now, to install apps from unknown sources on your Samsung phone, just go to your home screen and open Settings. Now, under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Security and Privacy. From here, just scroll down a bit and disable the toggle for audio blocker. You just tap on Use PIN and enter your lock screen PIN. Tap on Continue and select OK. Now after you turn off audio blocker, then tap on More Security Settings, and from here just scroll down and tap on Install Unknown Apps. Now from this app list, just enable the toggle for the app from which you want to install your app. If you want to install your preferred app from the Google Chrome, just enable the toggle for Google Chrome. But if you want to install app from any other source, just enable the toggle for that source from here. Now this time you will be able to install apps from that app, just like that. As you can see, if I try to install this app, I will have the option for install, just like that. You just tap on More Details and select Install Anyway. Tap on Use PIN and enter your lock screen PIN, then select Continue. And this is how you can install apps from unknown sources on your Samsung Galaxy A37 or the A57. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.